how we can use these to better the quality of teaching and learning for our students. So when we aspire to do better in LSAS, that is reflected in the details of the teaching and learning experiences. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Dapat nakikita natin yun kung paano tayo nagtuturo at paano tayo nag-a-assess. Kasi yung bawat isang detalye na ginagawa sa classroom, yun yung magpa-pile up at mag-a-add up para yung bata maging handa kung magte-take man siya o hindi man siya magte-take ng exams. Kasi ang exam, hindi naman lahat ng bata mag-e-exam, di ba? But all of the children, all of the learners should be ready to show their literacy level, to show what they have learned, and to show that they have reached these key level standards na sinasabi ng ating curriculum. Kung nag-a-aspire tayo na gumaling or maging maganda ang results, saan nakikita yon? Sa araw-araw na ginagawa natin sa class.